Good morning, friends. Our first card is the sun, and it says, "Life is wonderful." We are on a positive new path, and they say a meeting with the strange could be important. There is new beginnings, and it's beginnings that we deserve. And they say most of the difficult part of situations in our lives are over. The archangels are bringing us stability and helping us take charge of situations that we're having difficulty with. We have had obstacles to overcome, but we're moving forward towards that happiness and the good things that have been promised for us. We must embrace our inner child and rekindle our relationships. Those energies that caused separation with friends and family, release that from you and go back to basics. You are being divinely guided. You experience a sorrow over loss, but you've turned that sorrow into peace and harmony and love, and you moving forward. There is something better awaiting you, and your angels and spirit guides are nudging you in the right direction. You are being protected from a powerful friend. There are solutions coming your way, and that is because you are using self control and patience and the energy of forgiving and healing. There's good news coming your way, and it's something that you're going to want to tell everybody. You are warm, generous, and honorable, and they say you are getting strong within yourself after lots of deliberating and delays in your life. Um, you will be taken care of in difficult times, and your loved ones want you to share the message of love. Thank you all for listening. Have a good day. Bye for now.